So concept of food bank, we are now trying to, we have been developing a partnership with a food bank here in Bangkok, which is actually collecting food surplus called School of Sustenance to capture that food that is still edible and redistribute it for charity. Food pig farms to redistribute that food to be used by pigs, and why not having that closed loop like circular economy? You buy the pig that ate actually your nice food from your buffet, why not? Third best option when you look at the pyramid, again, like best option, prevent, then redistribute for charity, then transform. Biodigesters, we actually focusing on those that are transforming into something valuable rather than just sludge that would go to the wastewater. And interestingly, another aspect which I think is not that widely used in Europe, I don't know if you ever heard of EM, effective microorganism. So EM is a very interesting sort of natural technology. You take some of your food waste from your kitchen, like pineapple trims. You mix it with those microorganisms, with molasses, basically sugar, water, and then you mix it and seal it. And then after 2 months, you need to stir it every now and then. You can use this as a natural cleaning agent that you can pour down the drain to clean your pipes, in your toilets, in the septic tank, to minimize the number, to reduce the number of time you need to empty it because it breaks down the matter. Very interesting. So quite widely adopted in the hospitality industry in Asia, almost inexistent in Europe. I suspect that it is because of the powerful lobby of the chemical industry. I don't know, my take. KPIs for us, like this is something we're very proud of. One hotel we work with, again in Maldives, high-end resorts, after 12 months they reduced their food waste by 33%, which represents 78 tons of food that were actually not discarded. But most interestingly, that translates into savings that are above 150,000 USD in 12 months. This is sustainability. This is showing that being more responsible translated in being more profitable. Future is, we are now, we have been translating kind of a spin-off of our initiative into, became the Pledge on Food Waste, the first standard in the hotel industry that is focusing on food waste prevention, preventive measures that are necessary to reduce the amount of food in your operation using the same approach I mentioned earlier. So we're very proud of it. It's called the Pledge on Food Waste. TCEP, Thailand Convention Exhibition Bureau, is actually supporting us. Hotels and convention center that adopt the program would then get subsidies for those that go through the process and can show evidence that they have been implementing change. It's third-party audited. It's very important for transparency. And we're happy to have the UNDP that has endorsed our initiative as aligned with the core principle promoted by the UN. Development are very interesting when it comes to taking our app and pushing it to the next level. That means developing some system to pair our existing platform with smart scales that would just then be sending the information directly to your whatever device you're using, your mobile phone, your tablets, your computer, without any wire. Then you don't pay for the hardware, you pay for the software that helps you. But this would be a much cheaper alternative than the existing one. This would help to have additional data that I mentioned earlier, but to be able to plug this data with existing data that the hotel or the business may have on purchasing, on storage if they have any, or on sales, and to be kind of the building block that is missing to get the full picture of your food operation. Moving forward, the interesting part is that our knowledge and experience can translate to can be beneficial to other industry. That includes for any collective restaurant like food courts, hospitals, schools, catering, and that include like in-flight catering, and cruise lines where we see like a massive potential because the volumes are huge, and just a tiny change would have a dramatic effect. So you can link, you can hook up with us, lightblueenvironmentalconsulting.com, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and on Twitter. Really look forward to be in touch with you and pushing this industry in the right direction. It is actually urgent. Thank you very much.